Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to turn off friend request on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook app. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now go to the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after this, you can just simply tap on settings at the top right corner. And here you can just simply scroll down and here you can see the option how people can find and contact you. In the audience and visibility section, tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the option who can send you friend request. Tap on it, and here you can select this two friends of friends, and after selecting this you can now tap on save, and it is the way you can turn off friend request on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.